Let's take a look at box and whisker plots and using them to compare data sets. In this case, we have a box and whisker plot for the construction average salary in thousands of dollars and for a teacher average salary in thousands of dollars. And here's some questions. Would you rather make the third quartile salary for a construction worker or the third quartile salary for a teacher? Now the third quartile, minimum, Q1, Q2, Q3. So this is the third quartile. So that's about 47,000 maybe, 46,000. So I would get this as approximately 46,000. Now the third quartile for a teacher, minimum Q1, Q2, Q3, is 45,000. So basically, we can see that third quartile, which is the right side of the box, the one right before the whisker. The right side is larger for construction workers, further to the right than for teachers. So as far as salary goes, we'd want to say third quarter salary for a construction worker. Now this question isn't would you rather be a construction worker, just would you rather make how much they make. Okay. Next question. If you make the first quartile salary for a construction worker, so here we are, Q1, you are making more than what percentage of teachers? So this value matches right up with the median of teachers. So we're wondering that is how much more, it's more than that percent of teachers. Now, in between the minimum and Q1 is a quarter of the teachers. There's 25%, 50%, or up to 75%, and finally 100% of the teachers are in this box plot. So Q1 for construction worker matches up with the median for the teacher. The median, there's 50% of the teachers that make less than that because there's 2 quarters or half. So if you make the first quartile salary for a construction worker, you are making more than 50% of the teachers. Are there more, less, or equal numbers of workers between Q1 and the median and between the median and Q3? So between Q1 and the median, let's say the top one, construction workers, Q1 and the median represents this range of salaries, and between the median and Q3 represents this range. Now this might feel like a trick question because clearly the size of the box on the left is much bigger than the size on the right. However, the quartiles represent a quarter of the population. This is 25% of the construction workers, and this is 25% of the construction workers. There's an equal number between Q1 and the median and between median and Q3. And that's not just for this box plot, that's for any box plot. That's just a fundamental understanding of box plots. Finally, what percent of teachers make less than the median salary for teachers? Well, this is basically the same question that we've already answered. What percent make less than the median? Well, that's always 50% because the median's right in the middle. All right, I hope this clears up things with box and whisker plots.